DJ, and Tiki. Today we've got our very special guest here, Henry.
Hi.
And Henry, we have some kind of fun experiment to do today, don't we? Is there a way to describe this before we go into it? No? It's kind of like a bubbly, lava-y kind of thingy, right? And it's very easy to do. All you need is a parent or an adult and a couple things. So Henry, why don't you tell them what we have here? What's this?
A cup.
Of?
Water.
Water, right. And this is?
A glass.
A glass. Very careful with the glass. What is this?
Food coloring.
Food coloring. And this? A vegetable oil. Very close. You tried to read it. Vegetable oil will do. That's all you need. Oh, and these. These are effervescent tablets, usually used if you have a cold or something like that. This is a very fun and very interesting little experiment to do. So Henry, the first thing we have to do is pour some oil in. So I'm going to pour the oil. Can you pour water for me when we're ready? Can you take the cover off of the water for me? Okay. We're going to take the glass. We're going to pour in just a little bit of oil, sorry. About that much is fine, right? And then we're going to drink some of it. Oh, wait. No, we're not. We're not going to drink it. I always have to remember. Don't drink it. Now we're going to pour, not a lot, right? Not all of that, just some. So go nice and slow. It's just water if we make a little bit of a mess. Now the water's going on top of the oil, right? But some reason that's enough, I think. For some reason, the water is underneath the oil. But we poured the oil first. And then the water went through it. I think that's because the oil floats to the top, right? Because it's lighter, maybe? And the water is heavier or denser. So, once we have our water and our oil, we're then going to pick a color. Not many colors, just one works. What color would you like to use? We got blue, green, or red, I think would be the best. Blue, green, or red? Green? All right, we'll try it. We're going to drop in a bunch of drops into here. Hopefully everyone can see. Henry, just comes right off. It doesn't unscrew. There you go. Go ahead. All around it. There you go. And look at those bubbles. The colors, they form little circles and they kind of float to the bottom of the oil, but on top of the water. That's good, right? Is that good? Well, that's all of it, so I guess that's all we've got.
Yeah.
All right, next, we're going to take this effervescent. And we are going to, do you want to do the honors? All right, nice and careful, okay? Nice and careful. There you go, it goes down to the water. And now we watch. Now, the effervescent makes all these bubblies, kind of like a soda, right? All the air bubbles. And look, there it goes. The air bubbles are coming up and down and making it all bubble crazy like. Let's keep, whoa, look at that one. And look how the color kind of mixes in and out. It kind of looks like...
Kind of like a hill.
It's kind of like a hill or, yeah. Almost like lava underwater, right? Creating an island or a volcano. Don't shake it, don't shake it. Look at it fizzing up there.
It's mostly just like...
There's another big bubble.
Oh my gosh.
See them? Yep. Once it really gets going, those bubbles really look cool. They look like little green raindrops. And there's some bubbles up top and some bubbles on the bottom. Wow. It looks like it's raining in that cup, doesn't it, Henry?
But upside down.
But upside down. It's like an upside down rain. That's very, very cool. That one's just hanging on there, huh? It's like slime, only it's not very slimy. Goodness. Well, this, like I said, this is a very easy and fun little experiment to do, and you can do different colors if you like. Look at them. And I think because of the thickness of the oil and the way the water is, some of these bubbles look like they're almost floating or go dropping in slow motion. Now, once the effervescence stops fizzing, the bubbles will stop moving, which it looks like it's getting close to doing, right? Henry's dropping in slow motion like the bubbles. Wow. Anyways, well, you could try it at home. Like I said, you need vegetable oil, some water, effervescent tablets, and some food coloring. You can do any colors you'd like. And maybe you could share onto our page, social media, and let us check out how you did, right? Before Henry goes and floats away. All right, Henry, we'll have to see you guys next time. Until then, right? Let's say bye. Bye. Wow, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out my books, Captain J and the Misfit Crew and Captain J and the Perfect Pet. Both available on barnesandnoble.com, wordery.com, and amazon.com. We'll see you next time.